Every day, number of DeFi projects are entering the market, but all of them will last long? That's the question which comes in mind on every trader. But still, there is not any project which will help you to know which altcoin is best for you and also provide these DeFi tokens 100% security. And also notify the investors about upcoming risks and save their funds from loss. In this video, I will share a project which have all these qualities. So if you want to know more, this video is only and only for you. Stay tuned.
Feel uninvited.
Hackenproof. Hackenproof has its own utility token Happy. Happy is a set of cross-chain smart contracts embedded into DeFi products, allowing them to reach a higher security level. Its oracleizing and DAO system delivers the SaaS in the DeFi environment that prevents the hack attempts. Connecting to Happy, every centralized exchange like Binance, OKs and all these type of exchanges can receive information on hacks where the coins are stolen and block those stolen funds from entering their exchange until the situation is resolved. Happy also works for the decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, SushiSwap, Moonswap. By using the Happy smart contracts and Oracle, they gain the possibility to reject the requests from suspicious addresses to prevent money laundering and stop hackers dead in their tracks. By connecting to Happy, both centralized and decentralized exchanges and DeFi platforms will be able to guard themselves and their users from the projects that have not completed security audits to mitigate financial and reputational risks that come from the insecure smart contracts. Happy has been built in a way that allows easy implementation in numerous cases, like cross-blockchain solution suits most popular blockchains, Ethereum, VeChain and Polkadot. Right now we all knew one thing, that Polkadot is one of the best blockchain, provides real-time publicly available data, new security standard for the blockchain industry, DEX, lending protocols, derivatives protocols and other DeFi, all of them will use Happy, increases security of the DeFi projects. It will also help DEX aggregators, DeFi platforms and their users from the financial and reputational risks, receives the data from the providers elected by DAO community. The Happy token is an ERC20 token maintained on the Ethereum blockchain. Key utility of the Happy is to circularize between the data submitters and security oracles. Users stake Happy tokens to be able to participate in the project's governance. The governance is conducted by a voting procedure. The voting involves staking Happy tokens to support or reject the voting proposals. Now I will share some main key features, but first of all, if you want to participate in the public sale, you can, and secondly, you can check out the entire white paper. I will share the link of the main website in the description so you can easily check. So first of all, about the main key features of the Happy. It is going to help you for the data submission fee. It will provide you the right for the customer to submit any information connected with the hack or suspicious wallets. Secondly, governance provides the governance rights for the users. DP election by DAO. Each Happy token stakeholder can participate in governance conducted by a voting procedure. The voting involves staking Happy tokens to support or reject the voting proposals. And in the last, Oracle. In my earlier videos, I told you only and only DeFi projects and NFTs. And in the last but not the least, Oracles will work in near future, especially in crypto. So Oracle rewards, it will serve as a payment method to Oracles for the review and audit work done on the submitted data. DeFi projects audit report submission. DeFi projects will legitimize their code by submitting it to a unified audit reports data center. Here you can see the entire blog. In this blog, they told you everything about the Happy token, and secondly, about the Hacken platform, that how it is going to work, and especially for the investors. If you are going to invest in any new project, if you are going to connect that project with Hacken, that will help you, because they are going to tell you, Happy Project is going to tell you either is it worthy, either is it scam or a rug pull plan. So you can easily save your all assets. Now talking about the price of Happy token, if you are going to participate in round 1, you will be able to get one Happy token and only $5. But if you miss the round 1, then in round 2 you have to pay some more money for one Happy token. And in round 3, that is entirely costly for everyone. So as per my own idea, you have to take the chance and you can buy this token from round 1. And in last, the bounty is going to start from tomorrow, so you can easily join the bounty to check each and everything about the platform, and secondly about the entire professionals which are going to help you in this bounty. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button. Thanks a lot.